Hello everyone. Today, this is part one of water slides I am doing. So, I wanted to show you what I feel is a pretty good new method. I've been watching all the temporary tattoos being put on. And so we're going to do water slide like a temporary tattoo. Not only are we going to do, on part one, we're going to do a clear water slide on a white base. So we're going to put it on this kid's cup. But we're going to do it different. And then part two will be still a clear water slide, but we're going to make it white water slide and do it the same way like temporary tattoos. So let's get started. So what you'll need to do is make sure your images are inverted. So they need to be flipped like you would HTV. So when you do heat transfer vinyl, you have to flip the image. This is what we're going to do on this one. This is a clear water slide. It's haze. I buy it off of Amazon. It's for inkjet. I did put one layer of sealer. Where I use Brazilian 2X clear. Mine's usually gloss. So I did only one layer of sealer because we're doing this a little bit different. So I think we'll be okay. So let's get started. Alright, so I do have warm water. With haze water slide, it's best to go with warm water. But we're not going to put the image inside this one like we normally would. Okay? Now we've all been taught to do water slides. We're going to put the image on the cup to where we want it and flip it where you see the outside, the thicker part. Okay, that's what we're going to do. But we're also going to get a rag and get that warm water going on the rag because we're going to soak it. So let's go over here. Let's see if we can get this going. All right, let me put the image on. And let's get the rag. And then start blotting it. Should work the same way as a temporary tattoo. Alright, see that it's on there? It's all wet. Now let's peel it off. And ta-da. There you go. Your water slides on there. Let's see if we got any bubbles. I usually take a brush, make sure it's smoothed out. And a little bit more light. Oh, there we go. Make sure all the water's out. No bubbles, no lines. It wasn't that easy. It is so much easier than putting this water slide in the water, letting it soak for whatever, 30 seconds, a minute. And then worrying about it getting all nasty. That not being sealed properly. And just realize I only sealed this once. And it really was like only 20 minutes ago. So I always go a little bit overboard on making sure that's good. But anyway, there you go. And you'll also see another video I'm going to do. We're going to put the chocolate drips on this one. So stay tuned. A couple more videos coming. This is part 1, water slides. Clear water slide on a white background. Thanks, everyone. Like and subscribe.